The Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 Share Index, Footsie 100, popularly known as Footsie, is an index that keeps track of the top 100 public businesses listed on the London Stock Exchange in terms of market capitalization. More than 80% of the market capitalization of the LSE comprises the Footsie 100. The Financial Times and the LSE, the entity's founding parents, are represented by the abbreviation Footsie. The London Stock Exchange Group is now responsible for owning and operating the Footsie. It is a significant predictor of the performance of the whole market and has equal significance to the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 in the United States. In today's video, we will learn about the Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 Share Index or Footsie 100. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. The total market capitalization of the component firms and the index value are used to determine the Footsie 100's level. Throughout the trading day, the index value fluctuates together with the total market capitalization of the indexed company's individual shares. The previous day's market closing is used to determine whether the Footsie 100 is quoted higher or lower. Every trading day, starting at the market's opening at 8 a.m. and continuing until the LSE closure at 4:30 p.m., it is continuously calculated. A drop in the Footsie 100 indicates a decline in the value of the biggest UK-listed corporations. A new high for the Footsie indicates an increase in the combined value of all the indexed firms. Footsie composition. In 1984, the Footsie 100 was introduced. Since then, its composition has altered to reflect company entry and exits as well as mergers and acquisitions, highlighting its role as a gauge of market activity. A company must be listed on the LSE but need not be British to be in the Footsie. The value of the pound is also important because many of the listed firms have their headquarters abroad or conduct the majority of their operations there. A corporation based in the United States would be valued more in pounds if the pound were to decline, and vice versa if it were to rise. To make sure the Footsie 100 comprises the companies with the largest market caps, it evaluates the Footsie 100's constituent parts every quarter. Numerous other indexes that measure a variety of equities and financial instruments are also researched and published by Footsie. The Footsie Small Cap Index, which contains the following smaller group of companies, and the Footsie 250, which includes the 250 largest companies after the Footsie 100, are additional indices offered by Footsie UK. Together with the Footsie Small Cap, the Footsie All Share is made up of the Footsie 100, Footsie 250, and the Footsie 350. The top 5 Footsie 100 holdings by market cap as of January 2021 were Royal Dutch Shell, Unilever, HSBC Holdings plc, AstraZeneca, BPL, BP plc.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.